Earth spins endlessly through the cold silence of space, keeping our days, seasons, and lives in balance, until one day, it just stops. What if Earth suddenly halted its rotation, instantly? No warning, no slowdown. The planet freezes in motion, but everything on it keeps going, violently, uncontrollably. Buildings collapse, oceans rip away from shorelines, and humanity is thrown into chaos. At the equator, people, cars, and cities are flung eastward at over 1,000 miles per hour. The air doesn't stop either. Winds howl across continents, fast enough to shatter steel. Skyscrapers snap. Entire forests flatten. The very sky becomes a deadly weapon. Then come the oceans. Massive tsunamis roar inland, hundreds of meters high, smashing everything. Coastlines disappear. Tens of millions vanish under the waves in minutes. Iconic landmarks, like the Eiffel Tower, the Burj Khalifa, a Statue of Liberty, gone. Even history has no time to say goodbye when physics takes control. But the devastation doesn't end there. Now the Earth itself begins to reshape. Water rushes away from the equator toward the poles, flooding northern continents, leaving others bone dry. The equator becomes a dead zone, scorched, cracked, and barren. With no spin, Earth loses its magnetic field, our only shield from cosmic radiation. Solar flares, once deflected, now strike directly. The atmosphere begins to boil away. The sky turns red. Ultraviolet rays flood the land. Radiation sickness follows, then silence. And now, daylight never ends. One half of Earth faces the sun forever, scorched like mercury. Meanwhile, the other half is plunged into endless night, colder than Antarctica, darker than space. A permanent freeze sets in. Glaciers form over once lush landscapes. Global wind systems break down, but storms, they don't end, they grow. Superstorms the size of continents rage for years. No wind patterns, no jet streams, only chaos. And we, the humans, are not made for this. Pressure bursts eardrums, winds break bones, radiation scrambles our cells. Satellites lose orbit and burn up. The night sky becomes a graveyard of falling stars. Cities go dark, power grids collapse, civilization returns to candlelight, if it survives at all. And still, somewhere, life holds on. In the deepest trenches of the ocean, microorganisms glow like tiny stars. In an underground vault, one human breathes slowly, waiting, watching, remembering. No spinning Earth, no sunrises, only frozen time. The planet drifts through space, cracked but still whole, holding its secrets in silence. The wind has died, the oceans are still, but something still moves inside. What if Earth stopped spinning? Would it be our extinction or evolution? Maybe this is how life resets, how a planet sleeps before it dreams again. And maybe, just maybe, the end of rotation was never the end at all.